When doing any type of filming without a studio, lighting is always a huge problem. And that's where this comes in. This is the Neewer Basics FL20 photography flashlight. And thank you so much to Neewer for sending out the FL20 for me to take a look at. This is a 20-watt battery-powered portable flashlight, and that battery is capable of providing illumination for 3 straight hours at full power. And I have to say, this is very well constructed. It does charge by USB-C. You can change the zooming depth of this lens, and to turn it on, you hold the button and then twist the dial to illuminate. And you can go down to 1% all the way to 100% illumination power. To cycle through the different color modes, you simply click through the only button on the machine and it will go through the different options that you have. And it really is as simple as holding the button down until the fan engages and then twisting the dial. It comes in this nice case, it comes with the charging cable, a lens hood, and lighting inserts, so you can change the type of lighting that you get from this. While not super useful to me in what I'm filming, it is very helpful when you're trying to create a specific ambiance for photography, and who knows, I might end up using it for some really interesting B-roll, but it comes in all sorts of different shapes. And so for me, now instead of just using the overhead lighting in whatever room I'm deciding to film in, I have a dedicated spot lamp that I can hold right on my rig, keeping everything stable and locked in to film the subject of these videos. And while this isn't going to fix all of my lighting issues, it does remove some major headaches when it comes to component clarity. Being able to illuminate that specific part that I'm working on is really helpful rather than having to try and move a lamp around. And while this may not fit your exact scenario, for under $60, this is an amazing portable little light to have on hand. If you would like to pick one up on Amazon, an affiliate link is down in the description below.